Okay, this is gonna be a quick little video here. It's gonna be one shoot. Here is the angling AI mold. I just got it in. It's the 4-inch hula glove, I believe. I'm gonna shoot it in black and blue, and I'm gonna tell you my reviews of it. I just got it in today. I've done a little bit of shooting on it. It's the 4-inch hula glove. It's the exact copy of a Zoom twin tail grub. Fat Albert, sorry. Zoom Fat Albert twin tail grub. They have two little knobs. This is really nice. I love this mold because you can just tighten these up. You don't have to have a clamp or anything. You just tighten it up, put it in. The only thing I don't like really is the edges are kind of rough, except for the top, but the two edges that they cut off from, there's one big slab they cut off from, are rough. But that's not that much of a deal. I'm going to shoot it real quick. I have black and blue with heavy salt. I have black MF, and I have their light blue MF 0.65 blue glitter square cut, and I have the bait plastic medium blend premium soft plastic in it, and I believe I have their salt, their salt in it, and their warm oil. Suck it up, do a double take so your injector's hot. That was almost all there. Why is this thing doing this? I gotta get a new injector soon. Pull it up, transfer over, inject. I'm gonna hold it for a second just to let it try. Soon we'll have to do a video. I'm gonna do a video on just remaking plastic. We're probably gonna make some of these and Neds using this. I'm gonna make a few videos of that soon. With this cool, and I'll show you what it is. It's probably gonna take about a minute, so in that time I'm gonna tell you pretty much what the plans are. The plans are really I'm gonna try to put out a video once a week now. I'm gonna do a lot of Neds, I'm gonna get another angling AI mold soon. I'm gonna do their finesse worm mold. I'm gonna do a review on that. I'm gonna try to get into the bass tackle a little bit, and I'm gonna try Jacob's baits. But after that, it's pretty much gonna be easy, very, very easy. I'm just gonna do videos of me making baits, me explaining some color matching. I got now. I'm trying to match the Fat Albert green pumpkin color. I got some bait. I got some pigments on order. I got some glitters on order. I'm trying to get a little bit more harder plastic. It needs a harder plastic, I've noticed. But after that, I'm gonna get a finesse worm coming. I'm gonna try to get a hog mold coming, and I'm gonna try to get their stinger mold coming. But I'm gonna open this thing up. It looks like it's done. It looks like it's done. It's getting hot. This mold gets hot quickly. Take these off. Pop them. We got a little bit of pigment on my hand. Only thing, this is kind of hard. You can't rock it now. You just gotta pull it straight up. I tried to do a little bit of rocking just to get started. A little bit harder to get started. Pull it off. They come off a little bit, but I think I got this perfect. They look nice. They're shiny, if you can see that. They're really nice baits. I'm gonna make a few all. I'm just gonna make a few all sitting here. But thank you for watching. I'll get this video up soon. We're gonna have a few others coming after that. Thank you.